Hey guys, welcome back to Smiles and Burps. Well, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope बढ़िया ही होंगे. So guys, today I'm going to talk about something very important with all of you, and this is especially for mothers. Well, it's that one topic that is always ignored by us. What is it? It's the matter of our bone health. But before telling you more about that, I request you to press the red button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notifications for more such informative videos. Guys, being a mother myself, I know the hustle that goes behind bringing up the children. It requires running all the time, being on the top of your toes and being active all the time, both physically and mentally. And in the process, we forget to take care of ourselves and our bone health suffers. So guys, did you know that bone density plays a very important role in determining the healthiness of our bones? But as we grow older, our bones start to lose density and become weaker with age. Therefore, it is very important to start working on improving its longevity while it's feasible. And how do we do that? By giving our bones the right nutrition and support it needs with the right foods. But given our routine lifestyle as mothers, daughters, working women and homemakers, we tend to completely ignore our own well-being and never even consider eating the right foods that help us care for our bones. But all that hustle and poor nutrition only makes our bones weaker, thus causing unwanted bone diseases in future. Well, tackle this in time before it's too late with Chicnutrix Calciolive, my trusted companion for bone health. Crafted with Swiss Effervescent technology and formulated with clinically proven Bonolive, olive leaf extract, calcium and vegan vitamin D3. Chicnutrix Calciolive is a balanced formulation like no other. It provides complete bone care and ensures optimum bone health for the hustler in you. Within just a few days, I witnessed amazing results and felt stronger than ever. The best part? This Bone BFF is currently available at a 10% discount. Guys, this one is too good to miss. So guys, make sure you don't miss out on the goodness of this vegan yummy supplement. Consume this gluten-free wonder for 90 days to get the best results. And the best part? No side effects. Try it now and thank me later. And guys, let me tell you, this product is a must, especially for women, especially for mothers, especially young mothers. So guys, do try it out. All the purchase links and the discount codes are mentioned in my description. So go check out from there. If you like the video, if you find the product useful, do give a thumbs up. If you have any queries, do ask me in the comment section. I love reading your comments. And guys, do share this video with all your friends so they can also benefit from this yummy, delicious, tasty, strawberry flavored calcium supplement and benefit from it. And if you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you soon with another useful video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.